Happy Monday, everyone. Naomi here with your fix for August 1st. For all you gold farmers out there, you may want to rethink your career. For the upcoming game Diablo III, developer Blizzard Entertainment will introduce a radical new type of video game auction house. And screw fake money, this one's the real deal. This new auction house will trade your real-life dollars for digital items. Do note, however, players who don't want to fork over real cash for in-game items will still be able to visit a traditional auction house where you use the in-game's currency. In other Diablo news, looks like you won't be playing the game offline. The characters you create in Diablo 3 will be stored on Blizzard servers, so in other words, you can't access them without a constant internet connection. Blizzard claims this is a preventative measure to combat filthy cheating hackers. Those were our words, not theirs. If you're interested in how the beta is looking, head over to the link below for our full video preview. Still no date for the Diablo 3 beta or the full release, but we'll keep you posted. And for those of you hoping to get Witcher 2 on your Xbox 360 sometime this year, here's some bad news. The game's release has been pushed back to the first quarter of 2012. Luckily, the game will not be some simple port over. Developer CD Projekt Red claims that the kick-ass RPG is being significantly changed and upgraded for the 360 console version. I guess good things do come to those who wait. Speaking of waiting, it looks like paid downloadable content is finally on its way to Nintendo systems. Company president Satoru Iwata explained that downloadable bonus content like additional levels could make its way to the 3DS by the end of the year. He also nixed the idea of free-to-play content, suggesting that it lowers the premium value of their games. Bummer. So do you like hot cheerleading slayers of the undead? Well, have I got some news for you. Warner Brothers announced today their plans to publish Suda51's next game, Lollipop Chainsaw. Like most Suda51 projects, the game sounds awesomely ridiculous in a totally good way. Now we just need people to actually go out and buy this one. Finally, be sure to hit up IGN tomorrow afternoon for our second Resistance 3 beta live stream. At 2 p.m. Pacific, we will be taking a look at the game's multiplayer, so don't miss it. And that's your fix for July 28th, 2011. I'm Naomi Kyle, and be sure to get your fix anytime online here at IGN.com.